Okay, guys, I welcome you all to another important analysis, not of a crypto coin this time around, but of a very valuable and important company belonging to the world richest Tesla guy, Elon Musk. So now, is actually of great interest to me to be analyzing this very company because I remember some time ago I tried analyzing it, but I couldn't actually get a view of what the market was trying to do. But something happened just yesterday. I was going through, a particular platform and I saw someone actually dropped an analysis of the bullish tendency of this very company. And immediately I pulled out the chart again, and before my very eyes, I could actually see what the market or what Tesla price was actually trying to do. And I said, I must actually, put this out for you all so you don't make the mistake of going to buy in a bearish market or going to sell in a bullish market. You actually know, looking for trouble is actually one of my hobbies. I actually have a lot of hobbies, and looking for people's troubles is actually one of my hobbies. So I this analysis actually came by virtue of me seeing what that guy, I don't know which country is from, I think the US actually put up, and I was like, I must drop this analysis. So please pardon me. I love to look for people's troubles. And actually, immediately I went on his comment section and dropped a comment that no, Tesla is not going your way or is not going the way of your analysis. So this is actually a counter analysis, even though I can't actually portray his here, but this is a counter analysis. Forgive me for this, but I must do this to put the record straight. So now, question before us right now is Tesla bullish currently or is Tesla bearish? That's the question of many minds on the minds of many. So now let's take a quick dive into this analysis to actually, put the record straight as to whether Tesla stock is a buy or whether Tesla stock currently is a sell. So as you can see here, right before you is my Tesla chart. I love the Japanese candlestick. Man, I love it. I for one would, like to say that the Japanese candlestick should actually be the eighth wonder of the world. And I have my reasons for this. Pardon me if you disagree with this, but I actually hold this bias. So a quick dive into this very analysis before us is the price action or the technicals of Tesla stock. Now, I don't care to know what the company is currently doing. I don't care. My interest is to look at chart and be able to predict from the chart what price is about to do. So if you like, let Elon Musk be rolling out the newest version of his, EVs, there's electric vehicles and stuff. I don't care. I don't even want to know anything about the fundamentals. My interest is the technical. So let's do this together and for sure see whether Tesla is a buy or a sell chart wise. So as you can see, I've already mapped out my structure, my market structure on the monthly time frame, as you can see here. So looking at this, you have, or before you is something that looks like this. Okay, can you see this? So this is actually a downward move. Okay, now we don't actually know whether this will be a trend continuation, whether this will be a bearish move continuation, or there is actually a reversal. We don't know yet. So now What is my bias about this? Okay, let me get this out. So I really want you all to see this. So looking at this now, I'll go to my weekly time frame. Okay, so going to my weekly time frame, you can see price gave this lower high and lower low. Okay, this was exactly as a 2022. Price gave a lower high. This was a higher high, higher low. Okay, sorry, this was actually the highest high we had. After which price actually started downtrending. So there is a lower high and here is a lower low. And after which you had price, playing in between the upper line and the lower line. So how can we now adequately chart-wise predict what price is about to do next? How can we do it? So I want you guys to watch this closely with me. And from this, you are going to actually know whether Tesla is bullish or bearish. And don't also forget to watch this video till the very end. Because at the end, when you drop a very important nugget, you all just need to know, you all need to hear. So first of all, I will look for my areas, my order block, or bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing. So now looking at the structure, of interest, I am actually going to map out my engulfing. So this is actually a bearish engulfing candle. So you can see this was an area of liquidity. You can see price consolidating around this area. There's a massive consolidation around this area, telling you that the market is trying to go up, buyers or sellers are actually trying to play around this area. So after which you now saw what we call a bearish engulfing. Okay, so bearish engulfing came down. You can see price actually came down from a high of 308 to 105 or $100. You can see this to $100. After which price actually tried to go high to break the lower high that was initiated at this very point. But price could not get to that point because there is a gross concentration of sellers here. Like there is a selling force at this point. So this is your resistance. So this is your resistance zone. Okay, so this resistance zone is where you have a gross concentration of sellers. Support zone, which is the reverse of resistance zone, is where you have a gross concentration of buyers. So what you're seeing here is a resistance zone signaling a gross concentration of sellers. That is why immediately price made it up to this zone, there was a huge selling force, as you can see here. So there was a huge selling force, as you can see here. So that force, actually the sellers here had to sell the price. You can see price actually tried, still making it up and still got sold down. So this sell down, actually, this upsurge in price was actually to fill this liquidity zone. Okay, so after this zone was filled, another zone was created. You can see there's the price, tried to consolidate around this area, and then there was now a smart money entry at this very point. As you can see, these consecutive bearish or red candles signaling that there is a high selling pressure at this point. So there was another liquidity zone or supply zone created here. Sorry, please, I love to use my this thing to actually get a perfect draw. So there was actually another zone created here, a supply zone created at this very point. So you can see price still moved away, came back to zone, okay, going to a lower time frame. Price still came back to zone. You can see, okay, this will actually give us a very perfect one. Okay, let me draw it on a daily time frame so you all can get to appreciate this. Okay, so I'm sure you can see this. Oh, this is perfect. So price actually, created another supply zone here. So price came down, came up again, immediately got to this zone because there is a gross concentration of sellers at this zone. They still came in and sold down the price. Is that okay? Now, in the course of selling down the price still came here and created another zone. Oh, this is actually so beautiful. Price still came here, created another supply zone. So in a downtrend or in a bearish market, you will always have a gross concentration of selling force at the supply zone, opposite of which in a bullish market, you always have a cross concentration of demand zone in on charts. This is very important. It's very important here. So as you can see, the price has actually made successive or created successive resistance zone. So let me represent this as R1, so resistance 1. I represent this as R2 or R2 resistance 2, R1 resistance 1, then this is R3 resistance 3. So from this analysis, you can actually perfectly see that Tesla stock is actually bearish, not bullish, as analyzed by my good friend. I don't know if you can see this. So looking at this, there is now a gross concentration of selling force at this zone as price keeps going lower and lower and lower, more resistance points are created on the chart. You can see here at this point where this resistance point was created, price still tried to get to zone or break out of zone, but because of the high concentration of selling force at this zone, this sold price still came up again and tried to break through, and price still got sold. So from this analysis, is Tesla a buy or a sell? Like I said, I don't care what they're into. I don't care the new innovation they are actually patenting currently. What I care about is what the charts are actually saying, what the charts are actually telling me. So what are the charts telling me? The chart is actually saying that Tesla is a sell and not a buy. So I don't know if you all agree with this. If you don't agree with this, please you can get on the comment section and drop your comment. You can get on the comment section of either this very platform or go to my YouTube channel at Crypto Wiz. Okay, and then drop your comment there. But from my analysis here, Tesla, which is a very important company, a company I love so much, currently is a sell and not a buy. So you're going to see price making successive downtrends until it breaks this lower low, you can see this shooting star candle, but price is going to come here and then break below this lower low. So Tesla currently is a sell and not a buy. So get this, guys. Tesla, I say again, is a sell. So price is going down to below $100. So guys, if you have interest in Tesla, if you have already planted an entry, or if you're already in this trade, in this company, guys, you know the right thing to do. You're not gonna hear me say either sell or anything, but from this analysis you can actually see that Tesla is a sell and not a buy. So for those on the fence, you can actually add this to your watch list and watch to see if price will actually go my way, or if price is actually going to go against my analysis. So from my analysis, I make bold to say that Tesla is a sell and not a buy, that Tesla is bearish and not bullish. So guys, don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section. And on my YouTube channel, Crypto Wiz, don't also forget to click, as you visit the channel, don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to also click on the share button so others out there can also get the opportunity. I know so many persons are into this very company, but this analysis, just by you sharing this analysis, can help them to make a decision as to selling their holding in this company so as to cut down on their losses. Don't also forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can actually be amongst the first to be notified when I drop my next analysis on this very platform or on my YouTube channel. So guys, Tesla, from my analysis, is a sell. So guys, right, if you're already into this, please, you can launch that sell now to cut down on your losses. Or you can actually watch to see if my analysis will actually play out or not. Thank you guys. And don't also forget to watch my other videos both on this platform and on my YouTube channel, the Crypto Wiz channel. Don't forget, there are a lot of analysis there. So if you have the money and you're thinking of which crypto coin or which stock to buy, please get on the channel now. Watch those analysis drop there so that you are able to make a buy, either a buy or a sell decision. That is, if you're already in position of the coins or stock that are actually downtrending, like the Tesla, which I have just analyzed. So guys, watch out for my next video. In the next video, I'm going to drop a very important crypto coin, a very potential crypto coin that has the potential of doing a 5x to 15x profit in the medium to long term. And remember, I am not a short-term trader. I am a medium to long-term trader. So I want you to employ a medium to long-term, a medium to long-term bias on this market. Don't be a super scalper. No, don't. You will always lose money. The people that win in this market are the medium to long term holders. So guys, watch out for my next video and do have an amazing trading day. Thank you guys and bye for now.